everyone! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to delete all viruses on your Windows 10 or 11. So to start, all we have to do is to go to my Windows search bar and type clean mgr and then tap on this clean up. And then here, all you have to do is to check all these boxes. But before checking all these boxes, make sure that you no longer need this file. So as for me, I'm only gonna check those files that I no longer need. After that, tap on Clean Up System Files. After doing that, tap on Windows and key R. It will show the Run Administrator. So here, all you have to do is to type temp, and then you will be redirected to these files, and then select all this file and then delete this. But before deleting this file, make sure that you no longer need these files. After that, tap again on Windows and the R key, and then now type on prefetch, and then again you will be redirected to this file. Tap on select all and delete all this file. But again, make sure that you no longer need these files before you delete them all. After that, the next thing that we're going to do is to go to my Windows search bar again and then type here MRT. It will show you the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. This will scan all your files and remove the malicious files or the viruses. If you don't have much time, you can just tap on the quick scan, or if you have a lot of time to scan, then I recommend to do a full scan. And then let's just run this one. And now let's go to my Google browser and type on the search bar a malware bytes. And then here, let's just tap on this one. When you open that, you can see that this app is free to download. Just download that and then scan your PC. And then after scanning your PC, you can also uninstall it again. So after doing all that, your PC is now clean. So that's how easy you can delete all viruses on your Windows 10 or 11. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.